All right, we've just arrived in London after an epic trip. 24 hours to get here or thereabouts, and we've just checked into our hotel here at the London Westminster Curio collection, and we're in room 922, and we'll take you on a room tour. Turn the TV off, and in here we have the bathroom. Straight in as you walk past to the sink right on your left as you walk past. Towels, mirror, and in here I guess is the wardrobe. Yes, there's a safe. We've got robes, we've got laundry bags which we will be utilising. Drawers in here, all slippers. And in this drawer, what do we have? A hairdryer. And in there we have an ironing board. Bit of a strange setup actually. And in here we have the toilet. Bit dark, but anyway, pretty spacious. And in here we've got the shower. Quite spacious too, although dark. We've got a giant rain head shower head up on the ceiling there. There's the bath mat. And you would not believe it. Cahoog!
I've got a cahoog!
And in here is the bedroom area. So here we've got a desk with a lamp and a mirror, and there's the air conditioning controls. Oh look, you can close that off from the bathroom, which is really good. And we've got the TV. I think that is a queen size bed. And over here, look, we've got a coffee maker. And cup, saucers, glasses in here. We have all the milk, tea, coffee, what have you. In here, look, we've got a little fridge. And then over here, we'll go to the window and have a look and see what the view outside the window is like. Oh, and just a little sitting area, a little day bed kind of thing. And there's our lovely view. All in all, pretty decent room. A little small, but you're going to get that in London. They're all small. So not bad for a little boutique hotel. All right, and that's it.